Each year, we throw away millions of tons of clothing. Most end up in a landfill where they slowly rot and pollute the soil, water, and air. In tonight's Project Earth, Sarah Donchi reports how in San Francisco, experts are helping the planet by giving your old clothes a makeover at an unusual place.
On a recent Saturday inside a public library in San Francisco, the main activity was not returning books. With 5 experts manning sewing machines, crimping scissors, and darning needles, the focus is on restoring old clothes.
I love them, yeah. Another 10 years. Good as new. Thanks, Paul.
You're welcome.
Bringing them back to life by repairing them completely free of charge.
So we are definitely more than books. This is like a great example of the community coming together, people getting to connect and learn something different.
What a great idea.
Barbara Coe brought in a silk jacket she bought in Beijing for her late mother.
It got frayed, and so now I figure I can wear it, and so it does have a lot of meaning for me.
There's 2 sides, so we've got to be really careful to only stitch through one side.
The Clothing Repair Clinic is a collaboration between San Francisco's Environment Department, the Public Library, and the creative reuse nonprofit known as Scrap.
And we put on 10 fix-it clinics like this a year, and people bring in 1 item of clothing to save it from landfill and have it fixed with an expert mender.
City officials noticed more fabrics are ending up in the trash. In order to keep good quality textiles out of the landfill, they began to offer an incentive to repair them.
The cuff has come undone, and I love this shirt.
Add a strip of denim.
I think it's great. Look at that wonderful stitch. It's been reinforced.
We've been at 24 branch libraries so far. Not only will the repairer folks from Scrap fix your garment, they will also tell you and show you what they are doing. So an easy fix may be something simpler you can do at home in the future.
I'm very excited. It'll be wearable again. And get some more use out of it.
As for Barbara's silk jacket,
I think this is great.
Looks like new.
Coming together and helping Mother Earth, 1 stitch at a time.
Amazing what they're able to do there. Now, in addition to the clothing repair clinic, San Francisco runs free bike repair clinics. For more information, just go to our website, kpix.com.